With a market valuation of Rs. 156,071.09 crore, Coal India Limited is a large-cap company that operates in the energy industry. Although having a production of 79 million tons, CIL, a Maharatna company, is now the world's only largest coal producer. The company has released its Q2 results accompanied by a 150% dividend, and after Q2 performance, a number of brokerage firms anticipate that the stock will soon reach a new one-year high. The company has said in a stock exchange filing that the board of directors at its meeting held on date has inter alia declared first interim dividend for the financial year 2022-23 at Rs. 15.00 divided by per share of the face value of 10 rupees divided by as recommended by the audit committee of CIL at its meeting held on date. As already intimated to stock exchanges via letter no CIL, XI, 4,157 over 4,156, 2022 dated 26/10/2022. The company has fixed Wednesday, the 16th of November 2022 as the record date for the purpose of declaration of first interim dividend on equity shares for the financial year 2022-23. The date of payment, dispatch of first interim dividend shall be by the 6th of December 2022. As per the data available on BSE, the ex-dividend is falling on the 15th of November 2022. For the fiscal year that concluded in March 2022, or FY22, Coal India announced a 170.00% equity dividend, or Rs. 17 per share. This yields a dividend of 6.70% at the current share price of 253 rupees and 40 cents. In Q2 FY23, the firm reported net sales of 29,838 rupees and 7 cents crore, up from 23,291 rupees and 8 cents crore in Q2 FY22, or a YoY rise of 28.11%. The company declared a consolidated net profit of 6,043 rupees and 55 cents crore for the second quarter, up 106% from 2,936 rupees and 91 cents crore in the year-ago period or Q2 FY22. At 7,687 rupees crore, the profit before tax for the September quarter of 2022 increased by more than 111% from 3,643 rupees crore in the comparable period the previous year. The research analysts of the broking firm 199 Securities said we maintain our buy rating with DCF-based target price of Rs 294 on CIL, which is currently trading at 6x P/E and 1x EV/EBITDA on FY24 basis with 35.2% ROE. It has announced high first interim dividend of Rs 15 divided by SH. We believe dividend yield will be 9-10% at CMP. The research analysts of the broking firm Axis Securities said a milder than usual start to winter in Europe and continued build-up in inventories has led to a correction in international coal prices from the peak in Sep 22. As per the latest data from the Ministry of Coal, the e-auction premium in Sep 22 continued to stay robust and stood at 276% over notified prices. As stated in the Q1 FY23 con call, the management expects the e-auction prices to remain at elevated levels for the rest of FY23 at over 4,000 rupees divided by ton. The e-auction volumes are expected to increase from Q3 FY23 onwards. Strong auction prices and expected recovery in e-auction volumes will continue to drive profitability for CIL. The 700 MT production target now looks achievable as YTD OC22 production stands at 351.9 mount. For FY24, the government mandate is 840 MT, and we model in lower volumes as of now in our forecast of 750 MT. While the volume growth YoY will be the driver for profitability in the long term, in light of the volatility in the international coal prices, progress on wage negotiations as we move ahead, and the recent run in the share price, we reduce our target multiple to 4.0x from 4.3x earlier. We maintain our buy rating on Coal India and value the company by assigning a one-year forward EV/EBITDA multiple of 4.0x on the 24 EBITDA. We arrive at our target price of 275 rupees divided by share, implying an upside of 10.3% from the CMP. The research analysts of the broking firm Modelo Oswald said consequently, we again raise our FY23 EBITDA PAT estimate by 22% divided by 27% after a 23% bump up in 1Q. We also raise our FY24 EBITDA PAT estimates by 6% divided by 3% respectively, and RTP to 325 Indian rupees, valuing the stock at 4x FY23 EV, EBITDA. We reiterate our buy rating on the stock, and coal continues to be our top pick in the metals sector. The stock trades at an inexpensive valuation of 3x divided by 4, 8x FY23 divided by 24 EV, EBITDA. On PB, the stock trades at 2, 6x divided by 2, 2x on FY23 divided by 24 estimates. The company has declared an interim dividend of 15 Indian rupees, and we estimate DPS of 26 Indian rupees and 70 cents for FY23. The shares of Coal India closed on Friday at 253 rupees and 40 cents apiece, down by 0.08% from the previous close of 253 rupees and 60 cents. The stock had touched a 52-week high of 263 rupees and 40 cents on and a 52-week low of 139 rupees and 15 cents on. The target price set by the above brokerage companies would be a new one-year high for the stock if achieved.